Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a crash gear review on my son Max's Alpinestars Supertech R boots. Last weekend while racing with Wira, he had a two-day event. The dry race is on Saturday, 3 races, 3 wins. The wet race is on Sunday, 2 crashes inside of 30 minutes. We're doing a short video on each piece of gear that he had on just to give people an idea of how well it did or did not hold up. Fortunately, in this case, it all held up well, and they're all in a reusable state, which is nice because I don't have to buy them new stuff right now. The boots, we had 2 separate crashes, one in the bowl, one in the bus stop. One he lost the front, one he lost the rear, a little bit bucked. It wasn't a pure high side, but lost the front one, lost the rear another. These black marks that you're seeing here, this is actually rubber that was transferred from the racetrack to the leather on the boot. How it works is when you're out there riding around, as the tires wear, you're transferring rubber to the asphalt on the track. The rubber actually gives the tires on your bike a tremendous amount of grip. So you've probably heard before, as the track comes in over the weekend, as the event wears on and hopefully you don't have any rain, that rubber stays there and it really enhances the traction quite a bit. I'm going to be able to clean all this off. We're going to do another short video people have asked for on what we're going to do to clean and condition this. So I'll show you that with the suit and the boots once we get to that. Just taking a quick look now. You see we do have some scuffs here. That'll all clean off. The toe sliders, if you really want to get anal, you can replace it. I'm not going to replace it for them. I'm going to take a black Sharpie to them. A lot of this will be able to clean up pretty well, but no seams, no injuries, no seams were violated. These boots are good to go. Hopefully they make it the entire season for them. Just some minor cleanup. You know, some of the dirt walking off the track, that's no big deal. Maybe a little Formula 409 or something. Just a mild detergent, a little bit of water, wipe them up. But the boots held up great. If you own a pair of these and you've crashed in them, right, feel free to share your experience too. It just helps people make a good buying decision in the comments section of this video. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com.